So that's all for our companies of the year and service providers, and we'd like to move on to our projects, our BTS projects of the year. And we have three categories.
BTS Project of the Year Small, under 25,000 square meters. BTS Project of the Year Medium, under 50,000 square meters. And BTS Project of the Year Large, over 60,000 square meters.
Okay, great. And moving on to our first one, which is BTS Project of the Year, our small one, under 25,000 square meters. I'd like to call up from Signify, who's sponsoring this award, Łukasz Manowiecki, to hand out this award. So Łukasz, please join us on stage, and thank you for helping us sponsoring this event and helping us hand out this award.
And we have 4 nominees in this category: BTS for ASA Abloy Czech Republic, BTS for AXA Poland, BTS for GLS Poland, Kion for the Matic Czech Republic.
Okay, the moment of suspension. So the winner of the category BTS project of the small under 24 square meters goes to BTS for GSL Poland.
And please feel free to say a few words about this project.
So what can I say? Thank you once again, especially on behalf of people that were involved in this project, the specific one, to all of my colleagues, but also to all of our contractors, partners that were involved in this project. Thank you once again.
So congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, moving on.